Hello friends and new friends, subscribers, and hopefully those that will be subscribing soon. I'm coming to you today from Knox Berry Farm. This is in South Florida in a city called Homestead. They are famous for their cinnamon buns. Look at the line. It's roughly 12 noon. I don't know how long the wait is. I'd intended to get some cinnamon buns, but can you see the line? I'm not sure I'm prepared for this. I'll let these people clear out, and maybe I can get a picture of what's the fuss all about. I've seen them advertised on TV. I've never stopped down. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just get through this, get some footage, and then I'll join you soon. Okay, what we see now, we see someone that just got okay. That just seen. Thanks for the favor. I'm inside. I will show you as much as I can in terms of their operation. It's a family-run business. So when you come to South Florida, it's always good to patronize family-run operations. I'm going to take a picture of your board. Cash only. We do not accept credit cards. Okay. As you can see in the back, there is a strawberry farm back there where you can pick your own strawberries. Okay. I'm exiting, and again we still see the line. So when you come to South Florida, if you get down in the Homestead area, stop by Knox Berry Farm. You'll be glad you did. Okay, let me turn around, because I learned from the last video in terms of shooting into the sun. We have a nice young lady here. She said she's been here a few times before. How long was your wait?
The longest we waited was about 2 hours and 15 minutes.
Wow, they must be really good.
It is so good. We come every year. If we don't, and we live in the Keys.
Oh wow.
So we come up, and I'm picking up for my sister, my daughter. So I've got like 4 dozen that I need.
That's fantastic. Thanks for sharing.
Sure thing.
The line that you just saw was not a 2-hour wait line. She did say the line for 2 hours was probably pretty close to where I'm parking. These people just got their order and they're still enjoying it. So I guess if you want a sweet libation, this is where you should come.